Yusek Zuleika Lopez, nag-indefinite leave siya after nung sa veterans hospital admission niya. Umuwi siya ng Davao and then na-hospitalize siya doon. And then sabi ng doctors niya, we will discharge you but you have to come back ngayon ata, February, for further tests. And then bumalik siya for 1 day dito. Noong January, bumalik siya for 1 day dito sa Office of the Vice President and she said na mag-leave siya for 2 months. And then I said yes, take the time that you need for your health. And then after a week, bumalik siya. Noong January, after a week, bumalik siya dito and then she said hindi ako mag-leave. So sabi ko, okay, welcome back.